Now this is a mixed dal. When I take the dal, again in this katori, this is a beautiful mixed dal made by Lakshman. Sometimes I just take this dal as if it's soup in a bigger bowl when I'm hungry. I put nimbu in it, I have it and I'm full. Very often you will see a mixed dal on my lunch plate, which is amazing, which is made by Lakshman, and we are going to capture that recipe. It is simple, and sometimes when I'm really hungry, I take that dal in a bowl like a soup, put some nimbu and have it. It makes me full. This is 1 katori of mixed dal. That's how much we'll make. And first he's going to just wash it. Now with 1 cup of dal, we are going to use 6 katoris of water. Add some salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon haldi, turmeric. लो कितना सीटी देना है?
4 सीटी.
4 सीटी, 4 whistles. Now the dal is ready. Now Lakshman will add the tadka. Add some oil. This is just normal refined oil. Add half teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin. 2 bay leaves. A teaspoon of garlic. 2 green chilies. 1 medium onion. And give it a good mix. Lakshman makes the best dal. Add your tomato, 1 tomato, and again keep cooking. Cook this well till your tomatoes melt. We've already added some salt to the dal, so a little more if you need. A pinch of haldi, a pinch of Kashmiri red chili, some coriander powder, and some jeera powder, as in cumin powder. A little bit of sugar if you want. Give it a good mix. Add a little water so that your masala doesn't burn. It already smells yum, love. बहुत अच्छा खुशबू है. Oh, I love this dal. You guys must try it. Time to add the dal. Add your dal to the tadka. And we're almost done. Now, if you come to think of it, this is a very basic ghar ka dal. But again, because of quantity control, I'll probably have 1 bowl of it. So it really won't make me gain weight. Yeah, if I have a bucket of it, then it's a problem. अभी क्या करेंगे ला?
अब इसमें थोड़ा सा घी और हल्का सा घी और थोड़ा धनिया पत्ता देके.
So little bit of ghee for some aroma if you want to. I love ghee and it's always good for health. And some coriander. Everything is okay as long as it's in moderation.
रंग चेंज हो रहा है ना.
Cook it for some time. And then we'll go to the next step. Add a little bit of ghee. just for the smell. And add some coriander. Dal is almost done. Ho gaya love.
हो गया, थैंक यू, हो गया.
When you like food that tastes good, you need to be innovative. So when you diet, you can just take a bowl of this dal and put some lemon on it and make it a snack or a meal. It can be a part of your meal. It's a very basic and a very tasty dal. Hope you make it. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you with the next episode very soon.